Medikonda Nutrients is a trusted manufacturer and supplier of high-quality, plant-based ingredients. Our organic ginger powder is a testament to this commitment, crafted through a meticulous process that preserves its rich aroma, vibrant color, and potent benefits. The process begins with the careful selection and harvesting of mature ginger roots chosen at peak ripeness to maximize flavor and nutritional benefits. Each ginger roots are brought to the sorting and grading area, where they are meticulously examined for freshness, firmness, and overall quality. Only the finest rhizomes move forward for further processing. The selected ginger is then thoroughly washed to eliminate any dirt, dust, or impurities while preserving its natural essence. After washing, ginger is peeled to ensure purity, enhancing the final powder's texture. It's then sliced uniformly for consistent drying and nutrient preservation. The ginger slices are moved to the dehydration area, where they undergo advanced drying techniques such as hot air drying, freeze drying, or spray drying. These methods effectively retain the ginger's natural nutrients, vibrant color, and robust flavor. Once dried, the ginger slices are moved to the pulverization area, where industrial grinders reduce them to a fine powder. This process ensures a consistent texture. The ground ginger powder is then sieved to achieve uniform particle size and to remove any larger particles or impurities. This step guarantees a smooth and refined final product. Next, the powder undergoes sterilization to eliminate any microbial contaminants, ensuring the highest standards of safety and purity. Every batch is rigorously tested for heavy metals, microbial safety, and nutritional value in our quality control process. Finally, our organic ginger powder is transferred to the packing and storage area and then exported to all over the world. We offer contract manufacturing and private labeling options packed in pouches, canisters, and in the form of capsules and tablets. Nurturing the herbs with sustainable practices, food safety, consistent quality assurance, with no use of pesticides, with a bit of love and care. We are Medikonda Nutrients.